Welcome to Navia Global Onboarding. Let us take you through the steps to open your global account with Navia. Visit navia.co.in, go to the menu and click on Global. On the Global page, click Open Account to begin your journey. Enter your first name, last name, select your residency type, choose Resident Indian if you live in India, choose Non-Resident Indian if you are an NRI. Select your country code, enter your mobile number and email address. Create a strong password with at least one uppercase letter, one number, and one special character. Re-enter the password to confirm. Accept the terms and conditions. Click Create Now. Your account is now successfully registered. Click Continue to start the eKYC process. Log in using your email ID and password. Click Continue. Enter the OTP received on your registered email. Click Confirm. Now let's complete the KYC. Select Yes. If you have a DigiLocker account, then click Yes, Confirm. Sign in to DigiLocker using mobile number or username or other. Enter your mobile number. Provide consent by ticking both checkboxes. Click Sign In. Enter the OTP and click Sign In. Ensure Aadhaar and PAN verification record is selected. Click Allow. Your request will be processed. Click Continue. You will see a confirmation. And then you will be redirected to your personal details, which will be fetched automatically. If required, you can edit or enter details manually. Enter your first name and last name, followed by your father's first name and last name. Update your gender and date of birth. Review the other details and click Next. Update your address as per Aadhaar. PIN code, state, city, complete address. Confirm if your mailing address is the same. Click Next. Now, update your investment objective, investment experience, risk tolerance, annual income, occupation. Click Next. Background details. Answer the background questions with yes or no. Add your signature. Type your name or upload a signature image. Click Next. Under the KYC verification, select ID type, PAN card, upload PAN card image. Enter PAN number. Select PAN issuing country as India. Now upload your Aadhaar front image, Aadhaar back image. Select Aadhaar issuing country as India. Select your PAN number and Aadhaar number. Under Claim of Tax Treaty, select Yes if you are a US citizen. Otherwise, select No. Choose your country of tax residence. If you are an Indian citizen residing in India, select No for all options. Re-enter your PAN number. Click Next. If you wish to add a nominee, select Yes. Enter nominee name, relationship, number of shares. Click Save and then Next. Review all agreements and declarations. Download and read the documents carefully. Tick all the required checkboxes. Click Submit. Your application has been submitted successfully. You can see your application number. Your application will be reviewed within the next 48 hours and will be activated. Meanwhile, you can download the app with the link in the description, and you can also go to Navia's Global page and click Get it on Google Play Store or App Store. Once approved, log in and enjoy global investments. Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.